Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're having a look at the absolutely gorgeous bit of Tracy Chapman for you. It's the legendary Fast Car. Okay, this has just got four fairly straightforward chords, so it shouldn't give you too many problems. And also at the end we are going to look at that lovely little melody, yeah, nice easy version of that nice little melody, so you get the chords and the melody. And just to say, this one, the Tracy Chapman version, would use a capo on the 2nd fret. Exactly what we're going to play, but you'd need a capo on the 2nd fret, but we're going to play a nice straightforward acoustic version, open, without a capo. Okay, so without further ado, let's have a look at the chords with the screenshot. So for this one, you will need a C, you will need a G, you will need an E minor, and you will also need a D. Okay, so as I always say, if any of those give you any problems, maybe freeze the video and just try practicing changing from one to the other. But assuming you're good to go, the chords will come up on the screen for the song now, and let's try jamming it together. So starting off with that lovely little intro section, get ready with your C and C and G, E minor to D, and again C and a G, E minor D, C and a G, E minor D, and then a few more times, and G, E minor and D, C and a G, E minor and D, and then C, C and G, E minor D, and then C and a G, E minor and D, one more time, C and a G, E minor and D. The next section we have got C and then C again, and a G, 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 and a G, E minor and D, and then D, and then next bit, C, E minor and D, and then D again, C, E minor and D, and then D again, C and then D, and then back to the first bit, C and a G, E, D, and then C and a G, E minor and D, and then C and a G, E minor D again, and a C, C and G, E minor D, and then C, C and G, E minor D, one more time, and C and a G, E minor D. Ready with the next bit, and we have got C and C again, and a G, 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 and then E minor, and then a D again, D. Next bit, C, E minor, and a D, and then D again, C, E minor, and a D, and then D again, C, and then D, and then back to the first bit, and da 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 da, C and a G, E minor D, da 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 da, da 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 da, and so on. Okay, so those are the only three sections, so just practice those, get them nice and tight, it will sound great. But let's have a look now at the lovely little lead melody. So this one's pretty straightforward. We're going to do an easy kind of version of it. But what you want to do, first of all, take in the second string, and we just want to go 0, 1, 0, 3, just like that. 0, 1, 0, 3 on the second string. Then you come down to the first string and you go 3 and 2. So let's try those two together. Second string. 0, 1, 0, 3, down to first string, 3 and then 2, try it again, 0, 1, 0, 3, down to first string, third and second. Okay, and then after that you can try the second part of that melody where you go 0, 1, 0, 3 on the second string again, 0, 1, 0, 3, exactly the same, but then coming down to the first string and you go 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2. Let's just try that again. So you're going second string, 0, 1, 0, 3, and then down to first string, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so just a couple of times. Let's try going from that first bit and then on to the second bit. So ready with your second string, and we have just got 0, 1, 0, 3, down to the first string, 3 and then 2. Second string, 0, 1, 0, 3, down to the first string, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2. Try it again, second string, 0, 1, 0, 3, down to the first string, 3 and 2. Second string, 0, 1, 0, 3, down to the first string, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so there's the chords, the melody, the tune, everything else. Practice that one, it will sound great. Such a beautiful song. And don't forget, the Tracy Chapman version would be exactly that, but you would have a capo on the second fret. Thank you so much, it's been a pleasure having your company, and please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Look forward to seeing you soon again for more easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.